Last topic is mass and weight. You know, children, what is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body, and you also know that mass is a constant quantity, it does not change with the position of the body. Now, it is represented with the symbol small m or capital M, and SI unit is kilogram, and smaller unit of mass is gram, small g, and it is measured with the help of a beam balance. Okay, children. Now, here only we take the magnitude. The mass of a body is expressed only by its magnitude. Okay, children. Then comes weight. Weight is the force with which earth attracts the body. You know, earth applies force of gravitation, and this force of gravity attracts the body towards itself, and this is the force. The weight is that force only with which the earth is attracting the body, and it is not constant. It keeps on changing from place to place, and the symbol of weight is capital W, and SI unit is Newton, and 1 Newton is nearly the force of attraction of earth on mass of 0.1 kg or 100 grams. Other unit is kilogram force, and 1 kilogram force is 10 Newton, and it is measured with the help of a spring balance. Mass was measured with the help of a beam balance, and this is measured with the help of a spring balance. And in this we take magnitude also and direction also, and the direction of weight is always vertically downwards. The formula of weight is mg, mass into gravity. Okay, if the force of gravity on 1 kg at a place is g Newton, force of gravity is g Newton, and mass is m kg, so W, weight is equal to mg, where g is equal to 10 Newton per kg. For 1 kg, 10 Newton. Okay, mass and weight, children, are not the same thing. Kg is the unit of mass, and kgf is the unit of weight. For example, a body of mass 5 kg will have weight 5 kgf. A body of mass 5 kg will have weight kitna? 5 kgf, or about 50 Newton, because 1 kgf, you remember, 1 kgf is 10 Newton. Then comes the mass can never be 0, but weight can be 0. At the center of the earth, the weight is 0. Now, effect of change in place on mass and weight. The mass of a body remains constant everywhere on the surface of earth or any other heavenly body. Wherever you go, even if you change the heavenly body, if you are on earth or you are in moon or you are at moons, then also the mass will remain same. But the weight of the body changes from place to place because it depends on the force of attraction. It is not having its own property. It is depending on the force of attraction. So it keeps on changing. For example, mass of body is same on earth surface as well as on moon surface. If you are of 50 kg, you are here also 50 kg, and at moon also you are 50 kg. But weight on moon surface is 1/6 of the weight of the body on the earth surface, because force of attraction of moon on that body is 1/6 of the force of attraction exerted by the earth. Whatever force of attraction earth is exerting on that body, on moon only 1/6 of that will be happening, exerting. If here it is exerting 50, then on moon it is 50 by 6, 1/6 of the weight of the body on earth's surface. Are you getting my point? Now, difference between mass and weight. Please learn these differences. It is the quantity of matter contained in a body. It is the force with which the earth. It is the force and it is the quantity. Its SI unit is kg, its SI unit is Newton, and another unit is kgf, where 1 kgf is 10 Newton nearly. It is constant, it is not constant. It is measured with beam balance, it is measured with spring balance. So here completes our chapter number 2, and I have already sent you the numericals. Please, and I have already given you the PDF of the chapter also. Please go through the numericals and complete the chapters. I hope these chapters are clear to you. You can ask your problems, children. Please, you can even call me and send message on the WhatsApp number if you have got any problem.